Matrix has you.
Hello, and welcome to this video. I will now tell you how to create your token on the Degen platform. For those who are not familiar with it, I will explain a little. Degen is an automated system for instant insurance of crypto tokens on the Binance Smart Chain and other blockchain networks. Here, you can easily and safely create your token and also receive it in your wallet. These are just 4 simple steps that will take a minimum amount of time. Let's delve into the details. To begin with, you need to register a MetaMask wallet. To do this, go to the official website. You will find the link in the description below the video. Click Download, and then choose the device you want to install MetaMask on. In my case, it will be the browser extension. The registration process on smartphones won't be different, so you don't have to worry. You'll definitely succeed. Click Install. When MetaMask is installed, click Get Started. Agree to the terms. Then, create a new wallet. Come up with a password for your wallet. Be extremely careful here. Create a strong password so that no one else can access your funds. Agree to the terms and click Create. Next, you'll be shown a secret recovery phrase. Make sure to write it down somewhere. If you lose it, you won't be able to regain access. Not even the MetaMask developers will be able to help. Also, don't show this phrase to anyone. Anyone who knows it can access your wallet and use your funds. Keep it secret. Click Next. Now, let's go through the verification. Have you written down the phrase or not? Here, you need to arrange the words in the correct order as indicated in your phrase. Click Confirm. After that, your wallet will be created, and we can receive tokens on it. Let's figure out how to use the Degen platform and create a token. Degen, the digital tool of mutual trust. With its help, you can create your own crypto token, invite friends, earn up to 15%, as well as create your own avatars and make new acquaintances. To create an account on the platform, you need to have a referral link. You can get it from a friend if they're already registered, or find it on the internet, or simply buy it. In my case, I got the link from a friend to his Degen page. Now, click Create Your Token. Next, you need to go through a small registration process. Come up with your username, then enter your email address. Do this very carefully to avoid mistakes. Next, create a password and confirm it. Agree to the terms and complete the CAPTCHA. When everything is ready, click Create Account. If you've done everything correctly, you'll see this window. Now, simply go to the email you provided and open the email sent to you. Then, click this button to activate your account. If the button isn't clickable, copy this link and open it in your browser. After that, your account will be activated. Now we can start creating the token. It's very simple. Click Create Token. Next, come up with a name for your token, then the symbol, the number of tokens, leave the network as BEP20, and then enter your MetaMask wallet address to receive your tokens. To do this, open the MetaMask app or extension and copy your address. Then, paste it into this field. When everything is filled out, click Create Token. Now, you need to pay for token creation. This procedure costs $25 and takes about 48 seconds, which is very fast. Click here and pay $25. If you've done everything correctly, you'll be redirected to this page. Then click Create again. After that, wait for all the stages to complete. That won't take more than a minute. Now the token is created and sent to your wallet. To see your tokens on MetaMask, click Check on Blockchain. Then copy this line. Now go to MetaMask, click Import Tokens. Select Custom Tokens at the top. Paste the copied line into this field, and duplicate the token symbol you specified when creating it. After that, the token will appear in your wallet. You'll also receive an email about the token creation. It will look like this. By clicking the green button, you can view your tokens. So I have one created token, as well as bonus tokens from the Degen platform. That's how simple it is to create your token. If you liked the video, you can express your opinion using these 3 tokens. Just point the camera at one of the coins that corresponds to your rating of this video and make a transaction. After that, you'll be able to receive crypto bonuses. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.